Experiment 27A, the Great Thickening. Tools needed from kit: 1 beaker and 1 yellow measuring spoon. Ingredients needed from kit: packet number 1, which is your cornstarch. Ingredients needed from home: water. Directions: pour 20 ml of water into the beaker. Step number 2. Put 10 to 15 spoonfuls of cornstarch into the beaker and stir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Experiment 27B. Use the same slime that you just made in experiment 27A. Turn over the beaker with the slime very quickly. Watch what happens. Now turn the beaker over very slowly. Record what happens.